Okay.
Ready? Take probably a lot actually at this point.
Like 4.
Of Oculus Go. An introduction on how to use your Oculus. Okay. Hello and welcome to the Oculus Go tutorial, as I'm going to show you how to use your Oculus Go. Now, the Oculus Go's are pretty simple. There's 3 buttons on the top side of the Oculus Go. There's your power button, which you use to turn on and off or to reset it. You have your volume buttons, which are indicated by the plus and minus. You also, on the side, have an aux cable, so you can put in headphones if you don't want anybody else to hear your sound. Now, with the remotes, they're pretty simple. If you look carefully at the remote, there's a back button. This back button is to kind of exit your game, go back to the same menu. Then down below, there's the Oculus button. It can also be used to go back home, but if you're having trouble orienting your screen, like let's say you're looking this way, but your remote is in Narnia, well, you can hold down that Oculus button and it'll center everything back in front of you. Now, the most important button that you're going to be using here today is going to be your trigger button. It's going to be your main select button, it's probably going to be your shooter button, your drawing button, everything. Something else to note, that this round circle pad here is a touchpad, so you can actually use it to scroll up and down through the game menu. Most people aren't aware that this touchpad also is a button itself. So if you're having trouble and you've pressed every other button, try clicking down and you'll be able to move forward probably in most of your games. Like Epic Roller Coaster is one how you start the roller coaster. Now, let's go on inside the Oculus Go. Once you put on the Oculus Go headset, there are straps on the top of the head and the side of the head that you can adjust it so you see fit. So once you're inside and you enter the VR, there's going to be a screen that tells you to hold down the Oculus button. You're going to hold that down and it's going to log you into the Oculus home menu. Now, once you're inside the home menu, you want to come down and click Library. The library is where all of our games are sorted in there. To scale through the library, you just touch the touchpad and go up and down, and it lets you go through the entire library. Then you'll be able to use YouTube or play any multiplayer games with your friends.